Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video of SACE287. Today I have the pleasure of bringing you a 2010 Chevrolet Tahoe Hybrid. You never saw these when they were new, you never see them 15 years later. This one has a clean title, runs and drives. It's got a StabiliTrak light on, but other than that, I don't know why they sent it to auction. Absolutely love this thing. Onyx black, titanium interior, all the features, 2010 tech. Come on. You know you want to open. I thought she was power liftgate. She's not even a power liftgate. What a weird spec. A lot of really cool Tahoe hybrid specific parts, like these running boards and the D pillars that lower drag coefficiency. Let's just check this thing out though. Service tire monitor system. What do we got for mileage? 184,750 miles. It's kind of worn out in here, but it was a good deal. This is the cheapest clean title Tahoe hybrid I have ever seen. Touchy brakes though, oh my goodness. Okay. Something's up in the front end. Whatever. I guess when we rack it, we'll figure it out. Right now though, she's running good. We're on battery power, so no real qualms there. It's not turning. Like, I'm turning and it's not. Whatever, let's go with it. Oh, it's two-wheel drive too. Okay, inquiring minds must know now. Why don't you turn? Something's really, oh, the StabiliTrak. I know what it is. It doesn't turn. Wow. Eric! What's going on when I do the whole turning? Are my tires both moving at the same time? Huh? Well, that kind of explains things. What's going on up there? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna see if I can make this thing turn. All right, folks. We probably got a busted tie rod end. Come on. All right, look, we're going, we're good. You don't need two tie rod ends to operate a vehicle. Proof is in the pudding. All right, let's go put it back where it belongs before we get in trouble. Oh, this is weird, guys. I have officially never driven a vehicle with only one steering wheel. Like, one wheel actually doing the steering. Let's see if we can get this thing back inside. Put a bow on it. Oh, come on, girl. All right, that's as far as we're gonna be able to make it. Let's see what the heck's going on up here. Find out why we got this thing at auction. Oh, that's goofy. So that tire doesn't want to be a tire anymore. Anyways, guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video of SACE287. You guys know the gig. If you're looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. GMT 800 hybrids are the coolest things ever.